So here are the three prices that Walmart.com tried to charge me for a 50 dry quart bag of the Miracle-Gro Moisture Control Potting Mix. And I'm going to work you through it and show you exactly how they came up with these prices. So yesterday I decided to do some shopping when I saw a couple of Walmart ads pop up online. So I clicked on one of them. It was for the Miracle-Gro 50 quart potting mix. And I said, well, let's just see what they're charging for that online, because I know where I can get it for a good price. So anyway, I went all the way through the whole sequence it would take to order it online from Walmart. And I'm going to show you now exactly what the prices came up to be before I would hit the buy button. And you're not going to believe this, but it's true, and I want you to beware when you're shopping Walmart.com, because if you're not careful, you're going to get overcharged, and things that would otherwise be free, like delivery, you're going to have to pay for. So here we go. I'm going to now show you the screens that popped up as I went through. I did a screenshot on each screen during the process so I can explain this to you. All these are from the original link that I clicked on when I went from the ad to Walmart.com. So here we go. So this is the original screen that I opened my MSN browser with, and I saw Black Cow and the Miracle-Gro Potting Mix featured as ads. So I decided to check the Miracle-Gro out and clicked on it. And this is what came up. The price is $30.99. Now, I'm going to show you at the end of this video where you can get this for a good price. You won't get it delivered, but you can just walk into a store and buy it for a good price. And I'll show you that at the end. But anyway, they wanted $30.99, plus it shows the second arrow. Plus the second arrow shows $9.99 for shipping. So that's going to end up being, about $40. And so let's go to the next screen. And there you go. Hit the buy button, and it's $43.44. So if you want to get this 50 quart bag of potting mix from Walmart.com, just by clicking on it and following the arrows, you'll pay $43.44, and it'll be delivered to your door between February the 7th and February the 10th, it looks like. Okay, so you're going to have to wait about a week to get this $43.44 bag delivered to your house. But wait, you see the green arrow over there to the left. It's showing now there are other choices, and if you look at the green arrow choice, you can get a 25 quart bag for only $11.97. So you can get your 50 quarts for $23.94. Well, that's a heck of a lot better than the $30.99 that they started with. So let's see what's going on there and click on that. Okay, so I ordered 2 of these, and it's $11.97 each, so that's going to be a total of $23.94. But wait, all of a sudden, that price that I had just clicked on for the 30 quart bag is now $18.24. So all I did was hit the back button and go back, and boom, the price went down to $18.24 from $30.99. What's going on, Walmart? So this is where it gets kind of messy, and you might want to look at this on a larger screen like a computer or TV to be able to see all these prices, because this is very important. But anyway, on this screen now, it's right before I continue to checkout. I've got my 2 bags and it's $23.94. And it says, though, there's going to be a penalty because it's below the minimum. It's less than $35. And so the free delivery from store, though, has been knocked out. So I'm not really sure what happened, but that's zero. But they're going to charge me $6.99 extra. So anyway, it's $30.93, and then taxes are calculated at checkout. So $30.93 does sound a whole lot better than $43.44. So let's go ahead and continue to checkout. Okay, so here's the final screen. If I hit the place order button, they're going to charge me this. So here's that $6.99 for the below minimum order and the $1.86 in taxes. And wait, they added a driver tip, $4 to get the driver to bring it to my door. So the estimated total now is $36.79 for the 2 bags of 25 pounds to get my 50 pounds. Well, that's still better than $43.44, but it's not near like the $23.94 I thought when I started. But wait, there's more. So once again, I hit the back button and I'm sitting there looking at that price and looking at that $36.79 final price going, wow. Well, there's another option I noticed, and you can hit the Buy Now button. So I hit the Buy Now button, and guess what? Now it's going to charge me $25.38 for the 2 bags, and there's no shipping charge. It says free shipping, no order minimum. But as you just saw, there was an order minimum if you cleared out your shopping cart. So the first time I clicked on the shopping cart, the second time I hit Buy Now. So guess what? I can hit place order. I can get it delivered for $25.38, which sure beats $43.44. But wait, there's more. So now I hit the back button again, and this time I'm going to look at that $18.24 price that suddenly popped up for the 50-quart bag. And so I click on that, put one in my shopping cart, and I look and it says how you'll get this item. Shipping arrives today, and it's free with Walmart Plus, and I'm a member of Walmart Plus. But you remember, it didn't matter before if I was a member of Walmart Plus because they were charging me $9.99 for shipping or $6.99 because I didn't have the order minimum. But guess what? Now it's showing that I'm going to get it for $18.24 delivered today. So let's go ahead and go to the next screen and see what happens. And I'm going to order it from my shopping cart. So here we go. So now it's going to be $19.33 for my 50 dry quarts of Miracle-Gro potting soil. $19.33. That sure beats $43.44, and I'm going to get it today. I'm going to get it shipped today. So what's going on, Walmart? How can you have all these different totals for these products on your website, and why are different prices popping in and out on the website when I hit these back button and then come back to it? And why is the order minimum there for one type of purchase and the order minimum's not there for the other? Come on, Walmart, get it together. Let's have some consistency. Let's quit ripping people off if they're not careful. So anyway, Now I'm going to show you folks where you can get this for the best price. And here it is. It's at Costco. Now I realize everybody doesn't have a Costco, and so everybody can't just run over and pick up a bag for $11.99. But if you can, that's where I would buy it, especially after everything I went through trying to figure out what a good price for this would be from Walmart. So I hope you guys are going to be careful if you're shopping these online places. I do understand that even Amazon has some of these tricks also. So be very, very careful, but especially with Walmart.com. I hope you learned something from this video. If you did, please like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video.